that we will support the Tinus Lee Rugby Academy. Among others, we will build a Hall of Fame for South Africa, so that young people in South Africa must know who came before. When we talk about rugby and its success story, who are the heroes of South Africa? And I think we've got the responsibility to honor all our sports persons equally. And for every young person who aspires to be good in life, to know that there was the best centre half in the Western Province. His name was Tinus Lineh, and he donned the national jersey of the Springboks when it was not fashionable, and opened the floodgates for many aspiring African black players. As a Minister of Sports, I will give Tinus Lineh the honor of Steve Tshwete Lifetime Achievement Award.